Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start using your YouTube account to make money with affiliate marketing. And the best part is you don't have to show your face. Now this method I'm about to share with you is going to make you money even though your YouTube account is not having any subscriber or monetized with Google AdSense. Even though you are very shy like me, now this method is still going to make you money. Now if you like to make money with your YouTube account with affiliate marketing, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if it's your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about the video, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started.
Get this party started, oh yeah. Let's get this party started, oh yeah.
Alright, so thank you for joining me once again, and like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how you can start using your YouTube account to make money with affiliate marketing. Now before I show you that, I'd like to show you proof that this is working for me. So if it's working for me, then it can totally work for you. All right, so this is my affiliate account, so I'm going to be showing you some of the tracking for my sale. So as you can see here now, I was able to make $100 commission, and the tracking sale for this was from YouTube. As you can see now, this is YouTube. Okay, so this is $100 commission, and let me show you another one. So as you can see again now, this is YouTube again, and the commission is $100. So let me show you the last one. So this is another one here. The tracking and the sale actually came from YouTube. As you can see now, this is YouTube, and this is the commission for this. All right, so if you want to use this method to make money with affiliate marketing, now there are a couple of things you need to put in place, and this include a YouTube account if you don't have one already, and the second one is the affiliate product we're going to be promoting on the YouTube channel. Now for those that don't have a YouTube account, or those that don't know how to create a YouTube account, let me quickly walk you through how you can set up a YouTube channel for yourself. All right, so what you want to do is just quickly head over to your Chrome browser. So when you get to your Chrome browser, click on this icon here. So once you click on this icon here, you're going to see the YouTube icon here. So click on YouTube. So once you click on YouTube, what you want to do is you want to come to this your profile icon here. So once you click on it, you're going to see create a channel. So if you don't have a YouTube account already, what is going to show is create a channel. But if you have a YouTube account, it's going to show your YouTube channel. So I don't have a YouTube account with this email. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on create a channel. All right, so here you can easily come up with the name you're going to be giving the channel. So if it's going to be tech reviews, so let's just call it tech reviews. Then after that, click on create a channel. All right, so as you can see, our YouTube channel has just been created. So the next thing you want to do is to customize the channel, then probably add a YouTube banner to the YouTube channel just to make it a little bit professional. So for you to add a banner to the YouTube account, you can use software like Canva. All right, so all you simply need to do is just go over to Canva, then type YouTube channel art. So this is YouTube channel art, so just click on it and it's going to bring out templates that you can use. All right, so depending on the channel you want to use, if it's something like this, just click on any one you like. All right, so once you click on it, it's going to bring out the edit interface. All right, so what you want to do is you just want to change the name to your whole name. So mine is our own is tech review. So let me quickly change this to tech review. All right, so I've just done that. So the next thing you want to do is you want to download the banner. So I'm going to come here, then click on download. All right, so I've just downloaded the banner. So the next thing you want to do is go back to your YouTube account, then click on customize here. So I'm going to click on customize channel. All right, so click continue. So here you're going to see layout, branding, and basic info. So click on branding. So what you want to do is you want to come to this banner image, then click on upload. All right, so this is the banner, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on open. So this is how it's going to look like. So if you want to adjust it, all you simply need to do is just go back here, then draw this down a little bit. So once you draw it down, then it's going to match. It's going to match it here. So after that, all you simply need to do is just click on done. And the review new technology and gadget here, you could also just go back, then add it up, add it up a little bit, then download the banner again, then come back here to re-upload it. So after that, just click on done. All right, so if it's going to be viewed on a TV, this is how it's going to look like. But on desktop and mobile device, this is how it's going to look like. So after that, just click on done. All right, so it has been done. Let's click on view channel so you can see. Now before you click on view channel, click on publish. All right, so what you want to do is you want to click on view channel to see how it's going to look like. All right, so this is how it's going to look like. So in your own case, just take time to edit it, then add a banner to it to make it a little bit professional. So once you've created your YouTube channel, the next thing you want to do now is to find affiliate products that we're going to be promoting on this channel. Now, based on my experience, the kind of affiliate product that is going to work well with this method are affiliate products that people are going to need help when they want to create an account on that platform. Now, take for example, how to create a Binance account. So some people, when they want to create an account on Binance, they will still have to go to YouTube to watch video on how to create the account. Now, the reason why this is going to work well is because when people want to create accounts with this platform, they don't have to pay. All right. So what you want to do in your own case is you can either use your phone or use your laptop. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to create an account, then record yourself while you are creating that account, then upload it on YouTube. So in your video, just tell them that when they want to create an account, they should go to the description of the video, then click the link that you had there. Most people is going to click the link because they are not paying to register the account on the platform. But when they register with your affiliate link, subsequent payments they're going to be doing on that platform or subsequent transaction they are going to be carrying out on that platform, you're going to be getting paid as the affiliate that referred them because they use your affiliate link to register. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an example I did, okay, then show you how much I've been able to make in the process. All right, so let's go to YouTube now. Then I did a video on how to create a TransferWise account. So let's just go to Google and search for how to create a TransferWise account. All right, so this is it, how to create a TransferWise account. All right, so as you can see, I'm the #1 ranking for this video, and this video has been created since 2 years ago. All I simply did was I recorded myself while creating a TransferWise account. Now, a TransferWise account creation is totally for free. You don't have to pay before you can create the account. So in your own case, create an account to know what to expect while creating the account. So once you've understand the process, the next thing you want to do is record yourself while creating those accounts. Then add your affiliate link at the description of the video. Now, let me go to the affiliate dashboard of TransferWise, then show you how much I've been able to make with this simple video. All right, so let me just show you how much I've been able to make. So this is the affiliate account for TransferWise. As you can see, Wise commission payout. Okay, so I think I have available £40 here that I can withdraw, but in total I've been able to generate over $550 with a simple video on how to create an account. So what you want to do in your own case is look for platforms that people are going to need help while they want to create accounts on those platforms. Then record yourself while you are creating the account. Now, a popular example is Binance, like I said earlier. So record yourself. It could be your mobile phone, and if you want to record yourself on a desktop device, all you simply need to do is look out for software like Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, there are software like Screencast-O-Matic that you can use to record yourself. All right, so this is one here, free screen recorder. All right, so you could use app like this to record yourself while you are creating the account. And once you've done that, all you simply need to do is go back to your YouTube channel, then upload the video, then add your affiliate link at the description of the video. All right, so this is basically how you can use YouTube to make money with affiliate marketing without showing your face. So the only thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be talking while you are creating the account, and this shouldn't be a problem because you are not showing your face. So you shouldn't be shy about this. All right, so this is basically how you can do it, and I've done this and this worked for me. All right, so this is something you can do, and the best part is now to even streamline this down is that you could go to affiliate networks. Okay, there are some affiliate networks you can actually go to, then look for affiliate products that are new. Now, take for example here, this one is Partner Stack. So you could just search for just added, that is a new platform that are just added. So what you want to do is you want to create account on the one that are free. Okay, then record yourself while you are creating the account, then add your affiliate link at the description of the video. So this is basically how you can do this. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.